Want to automate follow-ups for unread proposals? It's easier than you think. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up automated follow-ups so you never have to manually chase down clients who haven't read your proposals. Stick around until the end because I'll show you a tool that can make this process seamless and give you access to an exclusive free trial to help you follow along. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need the right software to automate follow-ups for unread proposals. I've tried several popular options, and there's one that stands out in terms of reliability and ease of use. I'll tell you more about it shortly. Now, let's talk about the process. The key here is triggering follow-up actions based on whether a proposal has been opened or not. Most platforms, including email automation software, offer tracking capabilities that let you see when someone opens your email. But we're going to take it a step further by automating the follow-up process, saving you tons of time. First, set up your proposal email to include a read receipt. This is critical for tracking whether the recipient has opened it or not. You'll find this feature built into most email automation tools, and it's a simple checkbox when you send an email. Once that's done, you can start setting up triggers. You'll want to create an automation rule that says if this proposal email hasn't been opened within X number of days, send a follow-up reminder. This can be done within the software we'll be using today. Next, create a sequence of follow-up emails that feel personal and not spammy. You want to remind the recipient about the proposal without being too pushy. A quick nudge saying, "Hey, just checking in to see if you had a chance to review the proposal," works wonders. The trick is to space out these follow-ups. You don't want to bombard your leads, but you also don't want to let them forget about you. A great cadence is to send a follow-up after 3 days, then again after 7 days if there's no response. Now, the beauty of automation is that you don't have to worry about manually checking who's opened their proposal and when to follow up. The software handles all of that for you. You can set it once and then forget about it. This will free up your time to focus on closing deals instead of chasing clients. One more thing, make sure the software integrates well with your email platform or CRM. This will ensure all your communication stays in one place, which makes your workflow even more efficient. I've linked the software we're using today in the description, and I recommend you grab the free trial for exclusive access. Alright, the key takeaway here is that automating follow-ups for unread proposals is a game changer. It saves you time, ensures you never miss an opportunity, and lets you focus on closing deals. If you want to follow along and set this up yourself, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description. In quick review, here's what you need to do. 1. Track proposal opens with read receipts. 2. Set up automation rules to follow up after a certain number of days. 3. Create personalized follow-up emails that don't feel like spam. 4. Use software that integrates with your email or CRM for a smooth experience. Take advantage of that free trial linked below to automate your follow-ups effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and good luck automating your proposal follow-ups.